Cleaning and restoring a car often includes much more than just scrubbing it with soap and water. Chemical dipping is an efficient way of cleaning old paint and rust off of a vehicle to begin the restoration process. Trevor Malloy from 3S Chemicals specializes in alkaline paint stripping for people who are looking to restore their classic ride. Each customer starts off by completely disassembling the vehicle before bringing it to the shop. The frame of the car is then dipped into a large chemical bath where it sits for a day. It is removed every other day and pressure washed. This process is repeated until all the paint is removed. Because most people have multiple coats of primer and old paint, it's important to thoroughly pressure wash the frame until it is down to the original metal. The frame is put in an acid bath to focus on the years of rust that have accumulated. The car is pulled out of the acid bath every other day. To neutralize the acid, vehicles are dipped into an alkaline bath so there is no further rusting from the acid. The frame is pressure washed a second time to rinse excess rust and dirt. Then it's bathed in a water-based rust inhibitor, which stops further rusting until the car is ready to be painted. 3S says that each chemical used is environmentally friendly, and the process takes 4 to 5 weeks, depending on the amount of rust in paint. A unique way of cleaning a vehicle with little to no cleanup is dry ice cleaning. Dry Ice Nation specializes in dry ice cleaning and restoration to clean places water normally can't reach. Technicians use a compressed air system that is connected to a hose which sprays out dry ice. Before starting, they check the pressure, pounds per minute, and the size of dry ice particles. The ability to adjust the particle size allows them to restore both delicate parts and bigger parts. First, they load the machine with dry ice. Then remove the wheels from the vehicle, as they try to clean the dirtiest area first. They clean the inside of the wheel pocket along with the wheel, removing tar and adhesion with the dry ice. Because of the extreme cold of the dry ice and the high pressure, the spray gun is always moving to keep from damaging the structure of a car part. Spraying in a circular motion prevents hard lines and provides the most control. They finish the job with a good amount of handwork and fine detailed dry ice cleaning. Dustless Blasting is a satisfying and efficient way to prepare a vehicle for restoration. Water and an abrasive such as recycled glass, silicas, or coal slag are used to clean a vehicle. The water keeps the metal cool, which prevents warping, and washes abrasives and paint to the ground. This is what makes it an efficient way of cleaning, because dust and dirt all land in one place. It can cut through vinyl, primer, and paint all at once. Restoring paint is often achieved by buffing out imperfections. In preparation for the new coat, a microfiber cutting pad with a compound poured on its surface swiftly removes any excess dirt or paint from the car's previous wash. This is called microfiber buffing. Think of the car's surface as skin and the dirt on its surface as blackheads. The microfiber pad acts as an exfoliant to remove the dirt embedded in the surface. A light coat of antimicrobial coating is also applied to add a protective primer to the coat of paint. This type of buffing is also used for its fast vibration mechanism, which actually shakes the excess dirt from car crevices. It's even used to restore the UV protection on headlights. If you've ever looked at your headlights and have seen the plastic covering faded from the sunlight, the same microfiber pad and compound can be applied to the foggy headlight to remove all the decayed material. With a new coat of sealant, microfiber buffing can revive your headlights too.